Want to change the YouTube playlist or video on your website? Follow these steps. Right-click on the YouTube video, then select Edit Link. Then, a box will appear showing the current embedded link. Next, go to the YouTube video you'd like to embed. Click Share, then copy the link. Then, paste the new link into the link box on your website. Adjust the YouTube video's size to make sure it fits nicely in your website. Let's take a quick preview to make sure the video works. Now you can change the video or music on your site anytime you like. Want to learn more about Canva websites? Make sure to follow my Joyful Art channel. Thank you.